Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with CyberEdge, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect with CyberEdge, start by visiting their official website. Look for the Contact Us page in the main menu. Click on the Contact Us link to access the contact information. Here, you'll find various ways to reach out, including phone numbers and email addresses. Choose the method that suits your needs best. For immediate assistance, consider calling their customer service hotline. If you prefer written communication, draft a clear, concise email. Include relevant details like your name, company, and specific inquiries. If you're looking for insights, check their resources section for white papers and guides. Consider following them on social media platforms for updates and news. Join online forums or communities associated with CyberEdge for discussions. If you have a specific sales inquiry, use the dedicated sales contact form available on their site. Stay informed about their webinars and events for further engagement. For partnership opportunities, look for the partnership program link on the website. Fill out the required forms and provide relevant business information. Be prepared to explain how a partnership could be mutually beneficial. Follow up if you don't receive a response within a reasonable time frame. Keep your communication professional and focused on your goals. Monitor your email for any replies and respond promptly. Finally, leverage your existing network to connect with CyberEdge representatives. Attend industry events where they might be present for face-to-face interaction. This approach will help you establish a stronger connection. Be persistent but respectful in all your communications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.